In this video, you will learn how to set the print area in Microsoft Excel spreadsheet or worksheet. For example, I have opened a Microsoft Excel sheet and I want to take the print. Firstly, select the area which you want to print. I will select this area. Now you can see here, I have selected this area. Next step is go to page layout option. And in page layout option, you will find the option of print area. Click here. And from here, select set print area. Now you can see here a line appeared. It means that this area is selected. Now go to View tab and from here select Page Break Preview. Now from here you can see here that how much data will be displayed on individual page. You can see here this is page 1, this is page 3 and this is page 2, this is page 4. Now if you want to display this column in page 3 instead of page 1, then you can also change this one. For example, if you place the cursor here, you will find the option of an arrow sign on two sides. You can drag it and place it here. Now if you go to File and go to Print, from here you can see here that the display option is changed. Similarly, again go to that option and I want to display this column in page 3 instead of page 1. So I will again use this option and I will select this one. Now you can see here the page 1 will display only this data, and if you go to File and Print Preview, you can see here the only that data is displayed which we have recently selected. Now if you want to add more area in Print Preview, then firstly you will select this normal view, scroll down. You can see here we have already selected data up to this row. Now we want to add more data in Print Preview. For that purpose, select all those rows which you want to add. For example, I will add this one. After selecting, go to Page Layout option and you will find the option of Print Area. Click here and there is another option, Add to Print Area. Click this one. Now go to File and Print. Go to Show Print Preview. From here you can see here that the Friday data will be displayed here. You can see here the Friday data is displayed in Print Preview. Now if you want to add this header on individual page, then there is another option. In Page Layout option, go to Print Title option, click here and from here you will find two options, rows to repeat or column to repeat. I will select rows to repeat at top. Click here and select this row. Press enter. Click OK. Now if we go to Print Preview, then this row will be appeared on individual page. For example, go to File and Print. Go to Show Print Preview. Now you can see here this row will be appeared on individual page. For example, I will go to page 2. Then you can see here this row appeared here Now go to page 3. Then this row appeared here. Similarly, you will find this row on individual page. Additionally, you can also change the orientation of page using this option. If you go to this orientation option, currently you can see here portrait option is selected. You can also select landscape, and if you go to print preview, you can see here the dimension of page will be changed. There is another option in Excel. You can also save this print area using go to file menu, and from here you can select save, and you can take print later on. Additionally, you can also unselect this area. To do this, go to print area option, and from here you will find the option of clear print area. If you select this one, the selected area will be cleared. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.